Hi friends, it's Suzanne here from sunstampin.com. I'm a Canadian Stampin' Up! Demonstrator. I want to welcome you to my weekly Wildcard Wednesday video on my blog and YouTube channel. The card designs I share today are a little more technique driven, but nothing too complicated. I also sell the products I feature in this video. I hope you enjoy my free video tutorial and would love to see you shop with me. For today's card, I am using the Welcoming Window stamp set only. I'm not using the bundle today. And I just want to remind everybody that I do have an amazing online class featuring this bundle. But for today, we're going to focus on the design at hand. So I'm using Post-it tape. So I got this roll of Post-it tape, masking tape, I guess, and it's like the stickiness of a Post-it note. So but in a long strip. It's really kind of cool because it's not going to damage my paper and it's giving me a nice wide area that I won't mar my paper with. I'm coming in with, let's see, gray granite, cinnamon cider, and now crumb cake for my gardener's pots. These are so cute. And then I used, this is Inka Dinka Doo stamping mask paper. So it's just like a masking paper and I just have it on hand. I've had it forever. And I stamped out previously 3 of the pots. And now I'm going to use my blending brush and Seaside spray to go over. Except my cinnamon cider pot had slipped. So then I made some more masks using the stamping Post-it paper and I made a foo-foo. So I'll get into that. I'll give you a real close-up on it. So what I'm doing here is basically I've stamped the images, I've masked the images, and now I'm going over the images with my blending brush. And you can see I had a little bit of trouble making that stick. I'm not sure why. It worked on my prototype, so I don't get it. So I have deviated from the plan a little bit. Here, I'll show you in the design. Once I took off the paper, I was able, and I love this reveal where you have such a clean edge. I love white space. I've learned to love it anyway. Sometimes these cards that are really simple are very difficult to do. I probably went through 3 times before I got this one right. So here we go. You can see I didn't cut my mask correctly and there is a lovely white halo. So I always, normally when I cut a mask, I make sure that the mask is smaller than the image so that that won't happen. But as you see, it is. So this is the way I wanted the card to look, basically, or the design to look, with no flowers, just pots and this little strip of black card. I used some wet glue, and this time I remembered to smear it so that I was able to not have any seepage. Or you could dab off the excess somewhere else, but I just adhered that in a nice straight line right under, and that's where I wanted to leave my card. That's it right there, with a little bit of Wink of Stella on the black. But because I have that white ghost line, I got to fix it because it was driving me nuts. And I sort of, finished up. It was stamped the sentiment with Memento Tuxedo black ink. And I was thinking, how am I going to fix this? So out comes my favorite green, which is shaded spruce. And that came in for greenery. And there's the lovely stamp set here has, on the actual sheet, it has like letters 1A, 1B, 2A, 2B. So you know which flowers go with which greenery. So I used shaded spruce for my leaves. I used Highland heather for my flowers. And now out comes the Wink of Stella. And that means that I'm almost done this simple. But yet, it was a little frustrating for me, I'll tell you that. Sometimes these cards get that way. All right, that's it. I hope to see you again soon. Bye for now. Hey, thanks for sticking around to the end of the video. On screen are 2 more videos for inspiration. Click on the maple leaf for my blog, or click on me to subscribe to my channel. Thanks again for watching.